In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Chrome theme easily. Vertical bar, change Chrome background theme. Simple and quick way. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can access the customization options without any delay. Once Google Chrome is open, look for the Customize Chrome option. This is the area where Chrome lets you adjust the appearance of your browser, including the background and overall theme. Click on Customize Chrome to open the customization panel. If you are on a new tab page, this option is usually easier to find, so that can be a helpful place to start. After the customization panel opens, select Theme. This will show you the available theme choices for Chrome. From here, you can browse through different styles and pick the one that matches the look you want. Some themes are clean and minimal, while others are more colorful or visually detailed. When you select a theme, Chrome will apply the new appearance to your browser. If you want the best result, choose a theme that is easy on your eyes and still makes your tabs and buttons clear to see. That is all you need to do. Open Google Chrome, click Customize Chrome, and select Theme to change the look of your browser quickly and easily. That covers everything you need to know.